Welcome back. Today we'll do chapter integers, right? So before starting this integers, first we see the set of numbers which we have. Okay, the first one is natural numbers. Natural numbers. Natural numbers is denoted by letter N. The numbers which we use in counting are natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on to infinity. Many numbers are there after that. So these are the set of natural numbers. Starts with 1. The smallest natural number is 1 and the biggest is, we can't say, it is infinity, it goes on. And then we have whole numbers. Whole numbers are denoted by W. So the whole number starts with 0 and so on. So here the smallest whole number is 0 and the biggest one is not defined, it goes on. And here the difference between the natural numbers and whole numbers is natural number starts with 0 and whole number start with 0 and natural number starts with 1. So this is a difference between these two. And now we have integers. Integers are denoted by the letter Z, or in some cases it is denoted by I. So what are integers? Integers is the combination of whole numbers with a negative numbers. Integers is nothing but it is a combination of a negative numbers and a whole numbers. See, negative numbers means what? See, we have 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Like that, before 0, left to that 0, we also have the numbers -1, -2, -3 and so on. -4, -5, -6, so on. So like that, the combination of a negative numbers and whole numbers is nothing but integers. Okay. First problem. Some integers are marked on the number line which is the biggest and which is the smallest. See, now generally the biggest integers are positive. So when you have two integers, now one is a 2, the other one is -3. So generally the positive one will be the biggest and the negative one will be the smallest. If you compare the positive and negative, always the positive integers will be the biggest comparing to the negative integers. So here the biggest integer is 2, right? And what is the smallest integer? The smallest integer is -3, right? So this is completed. Now we'll go to the second problem. Write the integers between the pair of integers given below. Also choose the biggest and the smallest from them. Between -5 and -10. So what we do is on a number line, here we have -5 and -10 comes somewhere in the left side. So what I'll do is I'll start with this -10. Okay. So -10, -9, -8, -7, -6 and -5 actually. So here as he told between -5 and -10, don't include these two. So what are the integers between these? -9, -8, -7, -6. So here we have to write the biggest and the smallest. See, the biggest integer is -6 because on the left side the first comes -6, then comes -9. So the biggest is -6 and the smallest is -9. So this is over now and we go to the next one. So here we have 3, a positive number and -2 is a negative number. So always I'll start with the left side. See, -2, it's on the left side. So between -2 and -3 means don't include this -2. -1 you write, then 0, 1, 2. So these are the integers between -2 and 3. -2 and 3 is -1, 0, 1, 2. Now what is the biggest integer? So the biggest integer here is 2 and the smallest integer is minus 1, right? So this is over. Now we will go to the next, it is integers between minus 8 and 5. So minus 8, minus 7, minus 8. So minus 8 means we write minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now here we have to write the biggest and the smallest. So clearly the biggest integer is 4, positive side, and the smallest will be a minus 7, right? So what is the smallest integer? It is minus 7. Next problem. Write the following integers in ascending order, that is small to big. Ascending order means small to big. See, here we have minus 5, 2, 1 and minus 8. Suppose if we represent on a number line, somewhere here if we have 0, so the negative integers what we get is minus 5 and then minus 8, and the positive integers right side of the 0 we get, that is 1 and 2. Now from here we have to write these integers in ascending order. So it's very clear, we represented these numbers on a number line. The number line itself shows that these numbers are in ascending order. So what is the ascending order of these numbers? Minus 8, minus 5, 0, 1, 2, right? So this is completed. Now we'll go to the next one. See, in the next one also, actually number line is not compulsory. It's not compulsory. We can list out, but just I'll show it on number line. So this is 0. After that 0, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. But here as we don't have 1, just I'm not representing 1 on a number line. So 2. And on the negative side, we have minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and minus 4. Then we get minus 5. So the ascending order is minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, 0 and 2. This is ascending order of these numbers. Now we'll go to the next one. Here all the numbers are on the negative side. So if this is a 0, the left side of 0 we represent the negative numbers. So here we get minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10, minus 11, minus 12, minus 13, minus 14 and minus 15, right? So now the ascending order is small to big. So this is ascending order. So that is minus 15, minus 10, minus 7 is the ascending order of these numbers. Now next is descending order. Descending order means what? It is big to small. So here big to small. Suppose if we write on number line, if this is a 0, all the numbers are the negative numbers. So we should write on the left side. So minus 2 we get, minus 3, minus 4 and minus 5. So now descending order is big to small. Big number, as 0 is not there, so no need to write in descending order. The big number is what? Big is always starts from right to left. So that is minus 2, minus 3, minus 5 is the descending order. This is a descending order. The direction you see, it is from right to left, right? Towards the left. And ascending order is just towards the right we get. Okay. So now here the next one is again the negative integers we have. Just for a representation I'm just putting 0 for reference. So here we have minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7 and minus 8. So the descending order of this will be minus 1, minus 2, minus 8. So this one, this is descending order. Then after that we have the next one is minus 2 you write, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the descending order of these numbers are minus 2, 5 and 8. Is that? Sorry, it is not correct. So the descending order is a bigger one. So it is 8, 5 and minus 2. So here we have a combination of positive and the negative. So first we write the positive integers. In that the bigger number is 8, 5 and minus 2. Okay, here all are the negative integers. So in negative integers this is a case and it's a combination of positive and negative. So it is 8, 5 and minus 2. Next problem. represent 6, minus 4, 0 and 4 on a number line. Okay. So now we draw one number line. On negative side I write some numbers. You can start with any number. See that minus 4 is also included, right? So minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Some numbers I wrote on a number line, right? Now we have to represent 6 on a number line. So just mark something. So this I am locating minus 6 on a number line. After that, minus 4, so negative side. Just mark minus 4. Okay, this is minus 4. Then 0. 0 on a number line. Then 6. Already we marked 6. Right? So 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. So one more number we have to mark, that is 4. So 4 on a number line. 4 is a positive number. So this is marked on a number line. Okay. So the first one is completed. Now the next one is fill the missing integers on a number line given below. So here we need to write the numbers between minus 9 and minus 5. So minus 8, minus 7, minus 6. Minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these are the missing numbers we filled on a number line. Next problem. The temperatures of 5 cities in India on a particular day are shown on a number line. So this is a number line. The temperatures are shown. Kasauli is minus 9, right? And Manali is, see, minus 9, minus 8. This is minus 7. Nainital, if it is minus 5, it is minus 4, minus 3. Nainital. Then OT is 15, Bangalore is 20. It's very clear. So now write the temperature marked of the cities. Write the temperatures of the cities marked on it. Now Kasauli. Just I use a letter K, that represents Kasauli. The temperature of Kasauli is minus 9. Then the temperature in Manali is minus 7. Then the temperature of Nainital is minus 3. The temperature of Nainital is minus 3. Then Ooty is 15 degrees. Okay, this is 7 degrees, 9 degrees like that, and this is 15 degrees. Then we have Bangalore. Bangalore is 20 degrees Celsius, right? So these are the temperatures. Then after that, the next one is which city has the highest temperature? See, remember, highest temperature refers a positive side. So the positive side, the highest number is 20. The temperature is 20 degrees. The city name is Bangalore. So this is the answer is Bangalore. Then after that, which city has a lowest temperature? Lowest temperature means a negative one. So the negative one, the least integer is minus 9. So just write Kasauli. Kasauli has a lowest temperature. Then which cities have temperatures less than 0 degrees Celsius? So less than 0 degrees Celsius are, we have the Kasauli, right? Then the negative side, Kasauli, Manali. Then we have Nainital. These are the cities which have less than 0 degrees Celsius. Then Which cities have the temperature less than 0 degree Celsius? It is Kasauli, Manali and Nainital. Now name the cities with temperature more than 0. More than 0 means what? It is on the positive side. So on the positive side we have two. One is 15, the other one is 20. The cities names are Ooty and then we have Bangalore, right? So these are the two cities.